before going to the next lesson, let's go over what we learned. So in the last lesson, we learned how to describe people and things. So let's practice on that. Let's say you are telling me that you are an American. How do you say? Yes. 私はアメリカ人です。Very good. And can you ask me if I am Japanese? Good. あなたは日本人ですか? Or you're 99% sure you can ask me あなたは日本人ですね? Yes, we learned that too. And then we also learned how to say numbers. So let's pick a number. I would say, start with a simple one. 8. Yes, 8. That's correct. Let's go to a bigger number. Let's say 35. Yes, 35. That's correct. Okay, so let's learn something new.